Hi, I'm Alicia Hike, and this is my assignment 5, which is my reflection and revisions for my Unit 4 teaching unit. We'll go ahead and begin. My unit is about solving word problems in kindergarten. So to answer some of the questions for this assignment, one of the questions was about evidence for understanding. What tasks show evidence of understanding for my objectives? And my objectives were that students can problem solve with numbers within 10. So I'm going to go to my assessment part of my assignment, and really it's hard to show evidence of understanding a lot in kindergarten because a lot of it is performance based and not so much worksheets and stuff like that to where we can have physical proof. So a lot of my evidence of understanding is going to come from observations through the daily work, especially in our problem solving. And then the other one is going to be, there will be some recording sheets of their addition practice, and so that will be another evidence of understanding. And that kind of ties in with another question that we have for this assignment, which is if I use a variety of appropriate assessments. And so I used informal assessments, anecdotal notes, and then at the end of the unit, I did a one-on-one assessment with each kindergartner to see if they met the standard of solving word problems for addition and subtraction. That had to kind of be done one-on-one, and actually I ended up doing it in small group, and my students did pretty well with that. So I do think that I had a variety of assessments. Some of them were paper pencil, but a lot of them were just performance-based. So then the other two questions for this assignment, the reflection questions, are the first one is about applying knowledge to real life situations. And I think that my unit definitely does that. A lot of the problem solving, I use real life situations. I use the students' names, and I talked about like if they had to share a snack, how many would each kid get, and used a lot of things that apply to their real life. And the other part of that was how are students able to self-assess and reflect upon their learning. And in my lesson, students share their strategies for problem solving with the class. And that allows other kids to listen to what they did, kind of see if they got the same answer, assess themselves, look to see if they use the same strategy, or if maybe they could use that strategy next time, and kind of reflect upon their own learning to hopefully apply some strategies from their peers to their own learning. The last part I wanted to hit on was what I would do differently next time when I teach this unit again. And the big part is not focusing so much on mastery and in the whole group setting, because I practice with students in small groups as well. But still, when I was doing it with whole group, I always sat there and was so worried about my low kiddos not getting their correct answer in whole group setting, which I need to remind myself next time that whole group setting is really for them just to hear their peers' answers, not really work on mastery, just to work on listening to what their peers did and so forth. So that is my reflection, and I've enjoyed working with all you guys this semester. Thank you.